Good day. This is my low fidelity wireframe for Stay Easy, a hotel booking mobile application. It is designed to help users easily search and book hotels. I use only black, white, and gray colors because this is a low fidelity wireframe. I focus on the layout and use flow using basic shapes and text placeholder. This is the welcome screen. When the user click get started, it goes to the search screen where the user enters location, dates, and number of guests. After clicking Search Hotel, the system shows the available hotel screen where user can view hotel options. When a hotel is selected, it opens the hotel details screen with basic information about the hotel. Next, the user selects a room on the select room screen and clicks book now. Finally, the confirmation screen appears showing the reservation was successful. That is the complete flow of the system.